failed two reasons. One is I was sick, the next was one of my close friend from India, and the ceremony was happening exactly at the same time when this presentation was happening. Suddenly it came to my mind, so I failed. So wherever failed, I want to bring that success again. So I have given some story about our clinical reporting team, and I have a couple of things. What's clinical reporting team? If you see man, you have different hormones, everything. But there's one thing that needs it. One thing that we need, that is heart. We are a heart of everything. Without heart, it's not work. The next example, you're building an application, like building a bus. You design, you research, you do everything, put everything into perspective. And finally, you need a driver to drive the bus. We are the drivers. So again, you can say, whoa, this is a technology word. We don't need drivers, we want driverless truck. But yes, you need a driverless person to drive, but what should be done? They should be programmed to do the driving. So again, we are the programmers. Again, we are in the health industry. So what in health industry? For our health well-being, we need two roles important in our health. So can you imagine who the two roles will be? Yes, anyone. Yeah, in health. We need two people in our life to keep ourselves healthy. Who are they? Doctor. But doctor is called a physician. And also you need one more person there. Who could be? Not yourself. Yourself is there, you are there, you exist. But you need assistance of two people. One is a surgeon. You need a physician and you need a surgeon. Physician keeps you well-being for the whole life. But an incident happens, the surgeon has little time to act and react. That's where we are surgeons. So I give you an example for that. What's the example? We build a system, it's failed somewhere. For example, some project has implemented something, or some patch came somewhere, or details are built somewhere for one project, it affected. So we don't know what happened. So we have little time to act and react. So we are surgeons. We come at the point, we fix the issue, and we keep the system. So we are also important. So this is about clinical reporting team. Now, beginning of the year, we started a good note with a full team and everything, but as you all know, SDPR came in and we had to do some resources. But however, I'm left with 3 people in my team. The 3 people are 3 angels. The 3 stars. So the 3 stars, again I put a bit of mythology, of Hindu mythology to this. For a person to survive, we need 2 eyes. And the 3rd eye is called the wisdom eye. So I have the 3 people, 3 eyes of me are my team. So now the team is Srinath. And my next star is Kalyani. And my next star is Rajiv. And my next star is Sally. Please come join. So these are 3 stars. I'm looking all of you with my 3 eyes, the 3 people. Without them, I don't exist. Next slide. What is clinical reporting team? What are the core functions? 40% of our work is for DH&I, which includes all the streams and also the project managers. 30% external clients, Ministry of Health, performance unit, registry of birth, clinical exam. So that is 30%. 20% internal reporting, part of BAU's bit of thing, and 10% is on research projects and everything. Again, here I did not put my BAU work at all. There's no scope for BAU, but again, I use this 10% for my BAU work. It may take some time, that's why my BAU calls are late, and I'm unable to respond. Kevin gets an email, and I said, okay, I'll do it, so we keep on doing it. So that's 10%. Next slide, please. To add all those other things, these are the main mandate functions we have. How we impact you as a team, not only as an organization, but externally also. Externally means as a patient care, how we report. Some of the reports, mandatory reportings are there. These all are based on funding. Without funding, we don't get a salary. You and me also. So we are part of the salary part. We give the funding information to the government to make a decision, and that's where the funding comes from. And also for the doctors, they do the billing. So it comes from PBRC. So they do patient visits and everything. So they get the bill. So doctors are also getting money. And the third one is, we are part of the patients. How we are part of the patients? When you discharge from the hospital, you get a discharge summary. Nicely done discharge summary. What's the background? We are at the discharge summaries. Again, we are part of the families. Like, when there's a happiness in the family, when there is a birth in the family, when a new person adds to the family. So when a baby is born in the hospital, we send the data to registry, New South Wales birth death registry. So that's where the matching happens, and you get a birth certificate, family gets birth certificate. And also, sad times, when someone passed death, again, we send the data to the death registry, so they get the death certificate to the legalities. So we are impacting everyone, not only the organization, but also the patients in different ways. Next slide, please. So this is our achievements in the year 23-24. Enterprise data lake. This is a statistical requirement. Again, we have patient flow portal. These are New South Wales Ministry of Health initiated projects. Again, these are our local health, Sydney local health initiated projects. Again, we have other more these tissue analytics, fluorescence, pathological forms, outpatient labels, and everything. Now we can see, back to my previous slide, we had 40%. So 40% is part of this one here. 30% part of here, 40% here, and again we can see how much. Still, I have much more to do, which I'm unable to do. These are, so this again correlates to my previous slides. Next. I'll just give about what we are about EDL. Today's flavor is EDL. EDL is a enterprise data lake, which is like a warehouse, where the state, we send the data streaming, where the data is made available continuously. That's where we do. And then the same, the data is used for end users, may ensure that they want what they want to do and research and everything. So that's part of analytics. Yes. Some of our work, I want to just show some of our work. Women's and babies on the EDL video that's done by Salim. And these are the dashboards, what we have achieved from EDL project. Next slide. Again, we have a cardiology project which was driven by Rajiv, and it was a totally new concept, and it's very hard for us because to write, there was no specifications. We have to sit with the users, discuss about the specifications, and we have to do it from scratch. So Rajiv was very good, and he could deliver in a minimal time. So this is about cardiology project, giving some how we achieved and what we did using different technologies, and then the next one, and how we produced. Next. Career developments. As you know, we all look for pads and career developments. So this is what my team has done. Rajiv and Salim were sponsored by Sydney Local District for Masters in Data Science and Digital Health. And they came up with flying colors and distinctions. So here they are. Next, we had Kalyani for self-play. You have the cloud of her, and she's part of that course. Next one, our team, my team done AWS Cloud Practitioner course, Solution Architect, and Machine Learning Special courses. So my team has done those courses. The next one, please. Cross-skilling. This is the first time that was implemented in DHI. We tried to cross-skill our team members with other groups. So Kalyani is now working part-time in clinical application team and also my team. So this is cross-skilling, the new concept that we have evolved in DHI. And if anyone is interested in programming, I want to take you on. So talk to your managers, come to us, we'll try to cross-skill. If you have a dream, so this is an opportunity for you in the fact. You can do it in the fact if you want to say. So then your managers talk to it, come on board with my team, and let's help you out career goals. Next. What is our futuristic goals? First, now we want to have the natural language processing tool. So we want to read through all the documents, scanning documents, your clinical document, doctor writes something. So we want to have that ability. That's our future goal. So we have to achieve it, but we'll try to achieve that again with the support of Kevin. Next, Power BI, admin and support. So again, for data visualization, we want Power BI, that's what we are heading towards, and admin and support, that's our thing. The third one. This is my long-term goal, dream, command center. What is a command center? We are DH&I. When people visit our organization, we just walk around and go away. But I want to put a screen there. That's what I'm working with, along with Rajiv. It should say how many admissions happened today, last month, last year. And how many, again you can say, how many are indigenous, non-indigenous, sort of all those things should be displaying, streaming on the dashboard. When anyone steps into DH&I, wow, that's good. We have that information. So that's my dream. I want to achieve it before I go. So let me see how. Let me see how we are working on it definitely. Apart from all of what we have on hand, but we are working on it. Next. That's about any questions? Any questions? Okay, this is all about DH&I. I want to bring my personal thing into here. I want to acknowledge one person in my life. That's my mother. My mother was illiterate. She never went to school, but her vision was big. Her vision has brought me here today, standing in front of you. That's big for my mother. Without her vision, I could not be here. So always I am thankful to my mother. Next thing, our team is quite achievers, but we are instrumental. Now, with all this, I believe my team needs a standing ovation. Are you agree for that? I'm from a small village in India, but from my childhood, I had one thing that inspired me a lot. That is the poem of Alfred Lord Tennyson. You might have heard the poem of Lord Tennyson, The Brook. The Brook starts with, I come from haunts of foot and earn, I make the sudden sally, and sparkle among the fern to bricker down the valley. And the poem continues, I chatter as I flow. I join the brimming river. Men may come and men may go. I go on forever. And next, last one is, again, on and out and again, curve and I flow. To join the brimming river. Men may come and men may go. I go on forever. Thank you.